What if I told you guys that you can use NotebookLM strictly from your anti-gravity? Today I'm gonna show you how you can do that using a single GitHub repo installing into your project. So let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you how you can use the NotebookLM in your anti-gravity. As you guys already know, the anti-gravity is a very powerful tool. This tool is by the Google, okay, the Google itself, and this is a completely very powerful code editor where you can just give it a command by just giving a natural language and you can use it, okay. And also this NotebookLM, this tool is also by Google, and this tool is also very good, and you can use all its capabilities by you can explore it more by searching about it. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you have to download it from here. So I already downloaded it. Okay, so I'll open it up in just a minute. I'll click on the anti-gravity and I'll create a new folder over here. Let's create a new folder. Okay, so I'll create a new folder, which is, let's say it, let's name it anything, anti-gravity plus notebook LM tutorial. So let's start it. This is the name of our project. Let's open it up. Yes, now we are here. Okay, so how we can use it? This is the place where our all the files will come. Okay, so you can create all the files here, and this right side is the place where you can just give it a prompt and hey Claude Sonnet 4.6, how are you? And it will respond us from here. Okay, so and you can do all the things from here itself. So you can see you can change the model also from here. So our task is to use the capabilities of NotebookLM. So you guys already know. Let me show you the capabilities of NotebookLM. So the thing is, we can use NotebookLM for different purposes. NotebookLM. Let me show you guys. So if click on the NotebookLM, you provide the sources to it. Okay, and let me show you. Let's if you click on this, and if you can give the resources to it, and it will generate the audio for you, video for you, mind map, quiz, data table, slide deck, infographic, everything. It is so powerful. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna generate a new slides for this video itself. Okay, so let's get back to here. And the first step you have to do is you have to install the you have to install the anti-gravity in your system, and after that come to this GitHub repo. I'll provide this in my description, just get it from there. So then you can see this repo, okay, notebook lm cli mcp cli. So there are two ways to use the notebook lm. I think there's a three ways. First is this, not from the notebook lm itself, okay, and from the ui. And the second thing is from using the cli. So you can install the cli. You come here and following all the steps you can install. There's an installation guide over there, just running this command and you're good to go. But if you don't want to go into those technical stuff and you want to just use it using mcp also, okay, mcp server also, so just come here, and what you have to do is just run this command over there to install the use the mcp server. You have to do this thing, nlm setup add anti-gravity. So it will install the mcp server in anti-gravity. And if you are using any other tools like cursor, gemini, cloud code, you can do it that also. Okay, so let's get started. Just click nlm setup anti-gravity, copy this prompt from here, and just come here and open your this terminal and paste this thing over there. Paste the command over here, and it will set up anti-gravity for us. And I need to restart anti-gravity to activate the mcp server. So let's restart the mcp server again. Okay, so I'm restarting it. So this is our mcp server here. Okay, we have opened up our project. Now to check our mcp server is working or not, You just have to go there. Just in the right side you can see these three dots. Click on additional options, then click on MCP servers. From here also you can click on manage MCP servers, and you can see we have this notebook LM there, and it is enabled. Okay, so now we have to create our thing. So our task is we can generate everything. You, if for more, you can read this complete detailed thing. But let's say if you don't want to go in depth, so first of all just copy from here, and you just give this to our anti-gravity. And okay, so anti-gravity, what I want from you is that read this documentation guide for notebook LM MCP CLI. So I want to use the notebook LM in my from my anti-gravity. So please read it and understand it properly. So understand all the possibilities we can manage from this. Okay, so it will go and it will read it from there. But for that, in meantime, what I want is that, let me show you guys. We have to generate, I'm thinking of generating a new slides. Okay, let's get started. Let's give it a prompt, and you will gonna see that the things will gonna appear here. Okay, so let's first of all let's do the new thing. Okay, okay, it's still reading them, but until then, let's click on the new conversation, and let me open the agent manager for better view. So the agent manager is nothing but from here you can click on this side, and you can manage all your conversations from there. So this is our project we are currently working on, and in the same time you can work on all your project from this agent mode. So let's say this is our project, and we need to currently we are working on this thing now, this reading node program anti-gravity project. So from here you can switch to any model. So I just want to switch to this one, and in this if you want a new conversation, so just click there. Okay, what I want from you is that use the notebook LM MCP server, and can you please create a new slides where I want at least 10 slides, okay, which is explaining how we can use the notebook LM in anti-gravity, and why we have to use the notebook LM from anti-gravity, and how it is very beneficial for developers and for someone who wanna automate their task, their things, and want to integrate the capabilities of notebook LM into their tools. So you have to give provide all the details and create a complete test slides in the following the design system of Apple. And yes, also follow the design system of cloud code anthropics background. The way don't use the black or white background, use the background which is used by the uh, anthropic. Okay, also use the memojis instead of normal like icons and all. Use the memojis, Apple's icons and all, and use the complete design system of Apple. The primary design system should be Apple with the touch of Anthropic's design system. And I don't want much text. More of the things should be in from icons or illustrators. Use less text and make it professional. So let me give this prompt to this thing, and it will now go and let's okay from yes, I'm telling you the agent mode. So you can from switch anytime from this thing, capable to do what it is. And then all the 30 MCP tools it has, you can see these things. Okay, so all the query and all the things, studio content, how we can generate the video also, report also. So let's generate the video also. Okay, let's generate the video also in the same way. So and you can use the deep research from there also, research start, which you can first enable the research also, then all these things you can use all the tools from this thing. We are using this slide deck. So you can see if we go there, you can see this integrated slide deck. It is using the slide deck, and it will create the 10 slide deck for us. Okay, so until then, let me go back to here, and I'll ask it to create. Can you please create the video using Notebook LM's video tool on like the evolution of Apple Memoji? How the Apple created their Memoji? I want that. Please follow the design system of Apple completely and make the minimalistic designs and make it dark mode. So let's see how far it goes. Let's wait for it, and we are waiting. And also guys, the other one is that our this video creation. So I think Apple Memoji video. So let's see that you can see guys, this is Apple Memoji evolution, and it is generating the video. You can see guys, we just gave the prompt here, and it is generating the video here, just using the MCP server of Apple, like NotebookLM. Let's make it dark mode. It is created. Okay, so model limit is reached. Let's change the model. Dismiss. Can you please try now? You can build it from the user interface also. It's not that, but I'm telling you the possibilities, so that in the future, let's say if you wanna automate your complete task of doing things using this notebook LM, because this is so powerful, and if you wanna use these things in your automations, let's say you wanna build your automation using OpenGlow, and you want that thing should be automatically at this moment of time automatically posted. Let's say you have to create the infographics, let's say you have to create the audio overview for your podcast, let's say you have to create the mind map for your students, like anything. The possibilities are endless. The sky is the limit, guys. And you have to create the reports, and you want them in your desk, in your message, like using OpenClaw, using n10. So those things are, and we are just exploring all those possibilities. By the way guys, what, how's my mic? You can see I'm using this mic. uh, so I'm still waiting for it, that the slide should be created. Okay, let's allow this thing. I hope my audio will be clear, because I already tried 2 times and I'm not impressed by the audio. So this time I have changed something. I've turned off my fan. uh, okay guys, I have successfully built a complete notebook LM plus slide deck. Let's see, is it there or not? You can see it is generating here, and it is still waiting for it. So let's say I'm waiting for it. Also, what is the status of our video? The video is still generating. Video is still generating, guys. I need to sleep right now, but I need to make this video also. Okay guys, the slides are generating, and also the video is also generating over there. But in the meantime, I wanna show that I'm just following this. Let me do it manually. Era of AI.club, just go there, and this is the thing, which is our website simplifying next gen AI for businesses. And if you wanna do the agentic automation setup for you, you can anytime approach us. We have this team of automations like agents. The professor is the main agent of our team, under which we have the revenue agent, the content strategist, design agent, the SEO agent, the client success agent, the social media agents, and all their capabilities also they're listed. The dev agent, the automation agents, everything over there. This automation agent will gonna do the automation for you guys, and the price is just $14.99 itself. And just click there, and just send your details, and we are back there. Also guys, for the next 30 days I'm following this challenge of 0 to 10k challenge, where I'll upload a new video every single day until I'll hit the 10k subscribers. I'll gonna upload after 10k also, don't worry guys. But yes, Until then, like currently I have 6 subscribers. Thank you guys, love you so much. And I have just 5 videos uploaded and 169 total views right now. So these are the 3 videos I uploaded. So you can guys check them out. These are very good and very, like, these are the YouTube automations mainly, and this is the problem guys are facing during Hub. So I just uploaded that video. And the fourth video is this: how to use anti-gravity and NotebookLM. Like how to use NotebookLM in anti-gravity. That way I'll upload, and if I upload the video, it will gonna unlocked. Okay, and you get the guide and all. Like you can see, like if you click on this, you'll end up on the guide which is there. This is the how to make a viral AI finance videos, and this thing is completely free. You can guys check that out also.